Señoras y señores, lloviendo a cántaro en la ciudad de Nueva York. Ahora estoy en el área de Brooklyn, en el área de Best Stuyvesant. It's raining hard, it's raining a lot, unstoppable for over an hour and 2 hours. A lot of flood in the area. I noticed a lot of sewers, they cannot hold it. The drain cannot hold the water, cannot hold the pressure. There's a lot of rain coming down. And as always, this is your boy Freddy Nakatamal 71. Subscribe and give a like. Just driving in the city, the area of Best Stuyvesant in Brooklyn. I'm gonna go get me something to eat and get something for Sonny. He's virtual right now, taking classes. So I took him already something to breakfast to eat for breakfast, so I'm gonna get him something for lunch. Why not? Give him a little something. It's raining a lot. It stops a little bit over here in the area eastbound. I'm going east. But they say the rain is not going to stop up to probably, see, there's a lot of flooding areas around here. The sewers can't hold the pressure of water. It's too much. Been raining already for the past 3 or 4 hours. A lot in the area, tri-state area of New York City. Well, kind of slowed down a little bit now. Subscribe, give a like, comment. It's important to subscribe and give a like. Watch the videos and write comments. Good comments, bad comments, it don't matter. Oh, I gotta make a left here. A Broadway. Yep. This is your boy Freddy Nakatamal 71. My day off today. I was off Thanksgiving. I was off Black Friday. You know, it's part of this, the seniority that I have on my job. You know, it's the years in the job. They put the book. I signed the book, and they gave it to me. You know, the day off. Let's see what's gonna happen on New Year's Day. See what's gonna happen if they give me the day off. Right now, I'm on Broadway. This is considered the border of Brooklyn and Best Stuyvesant, East New York, and Best Stuyvesant. On my right hand side is Bush Street. On the left hand side, Best Stuyvesant, East New York. I know, right? What's up with that coughing? I just coughed right now like twice or 3 times, but it's all good. Got tested already twice negative. Antibodies in the beginning, the first wave, second wave we're going through right now. It's combined with the flu. Get your flu shot. Stay healthy, get tested, wash your hands, take your precautions, keep wearing the mask until all this freaking nonsense goes over. We don't know when it's gonna be over, but let's keep it real. Let's keep it real with this pandemic. Go get me some Mickey D. Go get Jason some 20-piece chicken nuggets. Gonna get me 2 McChicken, no mayo, add pickles and onions. And some French fries. I like French fries. It's alright to eat junk sometimes. Sometimes, I said, not every day. Sometimes. So today I'm gonna eat some junk food. not to have no dinner at night. Just that for the rest of the day. I already have my breakfast. My God, this Broadway, they need to do something with the potholes in Broadway. Typical New York City, guys. Typical New York City. Potholes, they don't fix it. They patch it only. They patch the potholes. Is the reason why. They want your car to get destroyed so you can give business to the mechanics and repair, auto repair shops. Of course, you're not gonna have streets over here in New York City, in the city, nice and smooth. No way. Whoever drives a Lamborghini here, you done. You gotta be careful, extremely careful what you're going to do. That's why I have an SUV. I have this truck, Pilot, because damn, been living in New York City all my life. This freaking potholes, that shit never changed. Streets all fucked up, a lot of potholes. Patch it up. I seen them before. I seen DOT all the time patching fucking potholes. They patch it up only, patch. It's rare when they change the whole pavement. But it is what it is. It's New York City, man. Yep. Top of the world. Yep. People are getting tested on this second wave, suggested by the mayor, the governor. Let's keep ourselves healthy. And the vaccine, they're talking about the vaccine they're gonna have on the first withdrawal. They're gonna have 50 million shots ready, but we all know the essentials are gonna get shot first. All essentials: nurses, doctors, aides, home aides, all these people. Then the people. Then citizens. I think sometime by next year they're gonna have 100 million ready. Let's see how it's gonna be, how this is gonna work, and let's see what's gonna be the side effects on these vaccines. CDC in Washington, we're talking. They were actually thinking about how will be the effects, the side effects for women's pregnancy women, pregnant women. Shit, for real. What's gonna happen? What will be the effect, the side effects on these women that are pregnant? They need to get the shot. Interesting. They're analyzing the whole thing. They didn't think about it, but hopefully, let's pray, people, that this is gonna work. With the vaccine. And of course, when I get my shot, when I get the vaccine, I'm gonna still taking the precaution that I'm taking right now. Same thing. Wearing the mask, washing my hands, taking precautions. That's the key about all this shit. Excuse my language. Yep, that is the key for all this. Keep taking the same precautions as you was taking for the past 7 months, 9 months, or 10 months. Yep, doing all this year. That's the key. Same precautions. Well, besides that, I got all the news, guys. I got myself 2 tattoos. Yeah, I like the art and tattoos. So I got 2 more in my body. Well, it is what it is. Yep. Yeah, at the age of 49, I got me 2 more tattoos on my body. Marked for life. They call it you marked for life until you die. They're gonna go with you. So, it's art. Yeah. They are professional. So, I mean, I don't hate. I know it would be just a lot of people that they against profession, tattoo artists. But I believe in it. There's a lot of good professionals out there, tattoo artists. Now, there's 2 more in my body. My son is gonna turn 14 years old, my only son. Very soon in February. It's gonna be his birthday. My birthday just passed, November 9. I got into 21 years in my job. It's a whole 9 yards going on right now. 21 years in my job. Unbelievable. I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing best. I do with customer service. I know how to do it with people. If the Escalade arrives, I know how to de-escalate. I'm gonna do my best to de-escalate. So we're over here at the drive-thru at McDonald's. Gonna get me something to eat because I'm hungry. We're into almost 13 minutes on this video. If you find it boring, then you can always comment. If you find it interesting, still write comment. If you don't want to comment anything, just give a like and subscribe. That's very important. I didn't know about this building, this skyscraper that it was open for the public, called The Edge in New York City. I didn't know. It's like an observatory. You could visit inside the building, and the business hours are I think it's from 11 to 8 or 12 to 8. But I'm gonna go ahead and visit. But I show it to my son. I know he has that a little bit of height. I think he has that little bit of phobia and that. I think he's scared of heights. So he said not really scared, but he said he could feel it in his body. So that's like a phobia then. So I show him the video. It's outside. That's why they call it The Edge Observatory, because in the Hudson Yard in New York City. We go visit that place. I come in and make a nice video. We could observe the whole city on top. It's like top of the world. The city underneath you. It's awesome. I'm gonna try to go down there. I got some other videos that I'm gonna make. You guys are gonna see it. You guys are gonna find out what it's about. So I know it's hard to find the time to make videos, especially when you work for a living. You have your own job, your 8-hour job, your 10-hour job that you do daily on your basics, but you gotta find the time to make videos. So I'm gonna talk to you guys soon, and until next time, this is your boy Nakatamal71. Subscribe and give a like. Peace.